Alright guys, the tour is beginning. I can never snap it. Okay. I'm ready. Time to go.
Time to go.
Alright, where's the first stop on the tour?
It was in a motorbike there, so yeah, we go by there.
You want me to get out now? Or I get out now, or you have to move it? Maybe I'm too fat. Oh wait. No, I said maybe I'm too fat.
No.
You're gonna knock the bike over. Alright.
Okay.
We're officially on our way. Huh?
Oh, you believe me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how it's going.
Alright, what's the first stop on the tour? Here we go, guys. She said she's a professional, so my life is in her hands now.
So sad, stop it!
Mom, if I die, it was all her fault.
No, I'm not letting him die, so don't worry about like that. I'm sure, 100%.
Dude, the sky is looking like death. It honestly looks like it's gonna rain again, but we'll see. Alright, first stop, the most exciting part, getting gas. The first Vietnamese experience getting gas. Actually, we'll see. Even the slightest differences from like Thailand. In Thailand, they like line up in a line. Like in a queue, one after the other, but here they line up like next to each other, I guess.
No, fuck, man. You have the name you too?
Yeah, it's like Alex and Echo. Yeah, did I tell you? Like it's same like Echo and me, so it's Alex and Echo.
Oh, okay.
That's why I named it that. I feel like you didn't know.
Too much more money. What you looking for that?
Yeah, this one. Do you want me to pay for this one then? Because you paid for the drink and stuff.
No, thank you.
Alright, so now we're filled up and ready for a full adventure. Let's see what else she's got in here. She got baby wipes.
Shut up!
for baby. Oh god, we're about to die. Oh my god. He's in a rush. Oh my god. If we don't get in or see an accident today, I think it will be a miracle. Oh my god. Yeah, this is craziest I've seen. I'm trying to think like Nepal is like really crazy, like hectic, but for some reason I feel like they're driving a little bit slower or something. Here, like they're still whizzing by so fast.
You want to try fast?
Oh god, and now I'm feeling the raindrops. Good thing this new camera I got is waterproof. Oh god. Oh my god. It's like, it literally feels like a roller coaster or something. There's like a thrill to it as opposed to like a normal ride. It feels like exciting, like you might die at any moment, like right now.
You not die, what you talking about? Stop it, man. I'm showing you not die. Fuck.
Oh, gonna die of raindrops in the eyes though.
We must do something.
What, you're gonna stop? Are you gonna put, oh look, oh see, is that what everyone's doing? See, we're learning, we're learning right now. Everyone stop maybe and put on the poncho, is that what it is?
Okay, sorry.
Oh, that's what it is. So everyone has it. So this is like a thing.
Yeah.
You always keep it with you just in case. Alright.
Yeah, that is good when you keep, man. Like, well, I don't want to be wet.
Oh wait, maybe can I put my bag inside?
Yeah?
Yeah, because it's got like the power bank and stuff. That way I don't have to worry if it'll fit, yeah. Oh, and the drone, I forgot. No, it's in there, yeah. So that way it doesn't get wet.
Okay. Okay, so
at least one of us won't be getting wet. She'll be first in front. Yeah, okay. So maybe if I'm close enough to her, maybe it'll block block the raindrops. Here we go.
You want to put this one?
Oh yeah.
Won't be wet.
It's like a little blanket.
You let you wet, huh?
Alright, here we go. Yeah, I noticed that too. They put it on the front, like over the front mirrors and handlebar or whatever, to block the rain too. So it looks funny, like from the outside.
You want to put this one on you because you get wet, man.
I'm trying to put it on me, but I don't know. It's on me, but I don't know how to hold it down. It just flaps around.
You just hold like that. On here.
Well, where do I put my head though? Oh, you mean just hide underneath?
Yeah, you hide it with this because
Nah, it's okay. That way I can see. This is what I'm gonna do too. Look, I'm putting the sunglasses, even though it's raining, for like goggles to block the raindrops. It probably looks fucking hilarious, but
well, it's not fucking good today, huh? It's fucking raining right now. Oh well.
Alright. Oh. I think we've come for a pit stop and to get noodles, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh.
Do you wanna take your bag here? Take out or?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, don't need it yet. You hold it.
Yeah.
Looks like maybe there's something. Would you give him the helmet or something?
Yeah. Very fucking wet now, ball web.
So it looks like maybe we give them the helmets or something. Kind of like check in. Oh, is this thing? Oh no, it's so cold. Oh my god.
Where you wanna sit? You wanna sit here? Or you wanna sit like that?
Maybe this one so I can keep my shoes on, right? Or no? Or what do you think? I don't know. You choose again. Yeah, so we got like a ticket for the helmet. Yeah, as you can see here, the only foreigner in the restaurant. The only white guy. Only whitey. Yeah, this is the one you sit like and you take your shoes off and like sit on the ground kind of. But I don't feel like taking my shoes off because it's like all rainy and like I don't know. Thank you for showing me. Alright, so we get, I don't know. I said everything is her. She's choosing everything today. Where we go, what we get, because I don't know anything. So
you just see and you just saw for people see. Then I choose for you. It's good. Look at this. Look at this.
So pretend to look, but actually it's up to her.
Okay.
Okay. Now
You
let's.
see clearly.
Yeah. Okay.
Me, time for me.
Alright, let's do it.
Do you know kimbap?
No, probably no nothing.
Dude.
I know like dumplings. I know that. That's probably the only thing I know maybe.
Then I get for you this one.
Oh yeah, that actually sounds good. Crab stick cheese balls. Yeah, it's good. They have the English too. Yeah, that sounds good honestly.
Yeah, this one, and I get for you.
Yeah, I noticed here it's like something they always give like these little wipes, like wet ones, with everything. Even when you get like takeout food, like in other countries you get like napkins obviously, but it's like a thing here in Vietnam. They always give these little like wrapped up wet ones. It's like nicer, I guess, honestly. We're making choices. We've got cheese and noodles or something. Oh wait, and before that, so that was your mom, right? I know.
Mom?
Your mom, I know.
What?
When you showed me the dog.
No, that is Rama. Rama?
Oh, grandma.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I will do.
So what was she thinking? Was she thinking like, who is this?
It's okay.
But maybe thinking, but she didn't say.
Lấy cho em một cái này.
giờ phải dùng size lớn hay size nhỏ gì?
Lấy size lớn. Hợp lý.
See if we can peek in the kitchen a little bit. Alright, the drink has come. I didn't know it had like bubbles like this. You try
That
it?
is the topping. I don't know what the fuck is that, but like instead.
I've heard it's like strawberry rice something,
Yeah,
right?
I think so. Oh,
Yeah.
it's bit. How do you do it? No, you want to meet here.
Oh, mix.
Yeah.
Oh, mix first.
Do you see?
Yeah, the strawberry flavor down there. Mix it around. And get the bubbles.
How do you feel?
Oh, they're really good. It's like strawberry flavor, the bubbles.
Let me try.
It's good.
Here you go.
Ủa nóng rất là ghê.
Oh, this looks good. It's still like sizzling, so hot.
And you can take this one.
Oh, we got a little tray here, the table. Follow Alex and Echo for my stories. We cannot eat yet, right? It's gonna be so hot. It looks so good though, like so cheesy. And then this is like chicken or beef or
Chicken. They say chicken.
yeah. I feel.
So-
Oh wait.
Smells good.
Oh my god, it smells so good, honestly. Oh my god. It smells almost like mac and cheese, but like noodle
Yeah.
mac and cheese or something. And then also with the meat and like some other spices and flavors too. Oh my god, it smells really good. Are you sure it's not gonna be like too hot? I don't know. Am I
You
gonna
get
die?
a hoo-hoo.
What? A what? A hoo-hoo? A hoo-hoo?
I don't know what this thing. Be careful, hot. How do you
The
feel?
hoo-hoo is good. Not too hot.
You like this one over there?
Every time your food is too hot, don't forget to do a hoo-hoo.
I mean like,
The most important part.
I don't mean hoo-hoo. I mean like that, but I don't know how to say.
Oh, we got more coming.
One more coming.
Come on. Alright, don't forget hoo-hoo.
Yeah, I tried.
Hoo-hoo. Alright, she only did one hoo, not a hoo-hoo, just a one hoo. Yeah, and then this one is like the crab and cheese balls or something. And then with the sauce, I feel like it's gonna be so good. And this one we use like the chopstick or just hands.
1 minute.
What am I supposed to do? Like chopstick or just hand?
You can take like that or you can use chopstick. Let me see.
I think I'll just be lazy. Although, let's do this one.
Be careful, hard. This hard.
Yeah, I think it's pretty hot. I think I'm gonna wait like maybe a minute. We still gotta get one more too.
Sorry, too big for you.
I got another one too.
Chicken. Before I told you. I wanna get this
Oh
one.
my god, that one is really good. Oh shit, I forgot. Oh, I wanna try. What?
Be careful.
Yeah, I still want. Which one is the one you opened? This one, right? Okay, we opened it instead of the hoo-hoo. There's another version of hoo-hoo. Oh yeah, it's
Yeah, you can say hoo hoo.
Oh my god, it's really fucking hot. Oh,
Careful, hot. Hoo hoo.
oh my god.
How do you feel?
Really hot, but it's so good, actually. It's so hot. I have to show off here my skills. Oh god. Oh my god. Not so good, but just a little bit good. Oh my god, it's really good. With the sauce. So this is the same sauce, right?
Same.
Alright, now let's try this one.
This one is chicken.
Ooh.
You kidding me, huh?
Yeah, that one's good too. I am more Vietnamese than her. She forgot the card that they gave us. So it's kind of like, seems like they have, it's like a little like parking service or something / security kind of, and they give you the ticket. She forgot the ticket, but the foreigner remembered. So now we finished up eating, and now we are back to the road. It stopped raining now, which is perfect. So now we are on to the next step of the adventure. Yeah, I guess he kind of wipes it off for you too. It's still raining a little bit, but not too bad. What is it? Oh, it's like wash your hands. No, it's like, I don't feel like, because I have the ring and stuff.
No, it's okay.
What is it for, like cleaning or what?
Like make it clean and have
Lotion too, maybe?
Yeah, something like that.
So now my hands will be luscious.